Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn English Consistently. If you want to speak English confidently, this is for you. On this channel, I'll share daily conversations, short stories, and more to help you learn English in an easy and natural way. Think about it. When we were children, no one taught us our mother tongue. We learned it slowly by listening again and again and by trying to speak little by little. We are going to learn English the same way, step by step together. So don't just watch. Listen, repeat, and speak with me. Stay consistent. You will surely see the difference. Let's start this journey together. From today, I am making a small promise to myself. I will take out a little time every day to learn English. I know it won't be perfect. Sometimes I may lose confidence. And sometimes I may feel like giving up. But even then, I will not stop. I will keep listening. I will keep trying. And I will keep speaking, little by little. Can create a big difference over time. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be consistent. And slowly, step by step. I know I will start seeing the change in myself. My words will become clearer. My confidence will grow. And speaking English will start to feel natural. Because practice makes perfect. So no matter what happens, I will not give up on this journey. And I hope you'll join me too. Now watch this again. Listen and repeat. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. In the next video, we'll practice together. Thank you for watching.